Hi everyone, I'm Stella. Today's topic is a big one. It's about the world around us. Our country, our society, and our families. Let's think about how we live, what kind of future we want, and how we can help build a better world. Let's begin with question 1. When thinking about your future career, the kind of impact you want to make is just as important as salary or stability. Would you like to work for the government? Why or why not? Some people see it as a stable job with purpose, while others prefer private companies. What about you? Next is question 2. Government jobs come in many forms. Some protect, some educate, and some serve in quiet ways. If you worked for the government, what job would you choose? Like a police officer, a soldier, or a teacher? What kind of role would you enjoy or feel proud of? Now imagine this. Question 3. Being a leader means making tough choices that can shape the future of a nation. If you were the leader of Taiwan, what's the first big change you'd make? Think about what you'd fix or improve for the people. Let's go to question 4. Everyone sees problems in society, but some issues really stand out to us personally. What improvements would you like to see in society? For example, fewer stray animals, better traffic safety, or less pollution. What matters to you? Here's question 5. Frustration can be a sign that we care deeply about fairness and justice. What makes you angry or frustrated about society today? Is it injustice, inequality, or something you see every day that should change? Let's dream a little with question 6. Question 6. Imagining a better world helps us understand what values are most important to us. What does a perfect society look like to you? Is it clean, fair, peaceful, kind, or something else? What does your ideal world include? Now on to question 7. Every generation faces new social problems that require fresh thinking and action. What are some of the newest social issues in Taiwan right now? Whether it's housing, education, or the environment, what's your opinion on them? Here's a deeper one. Question 8. Some social issues involve not just laws, but also personal beliefs about life and death. Should euthanasia be legal for people who are seriously ill? This is a difficult question about life, dignity, and choice. What do you think? Let's move into science with question 9. Technology brings powerful tools, but it also brings hard ethical questions. Should genetic engineering be used to create better citizens? Can we really design a better society this way, or is it too risky? Now, question 10. Not all problems make the headlines, but some quietly affect millions every day. What is one serious social problem in Taiwan today? Think about a problem that affects many people and deserves more attention. Let's talk about independence. In question 11, growing up means becoming responsible, but when is the right time to take that step? At what age should a son or daughter leave home and live independently? Some say after high school, others say after marriage. What's your view? Now for something modern. Question 12. In today's busy world, even love and connection are becoming organized through services. Matchmaking has become a business in Taiwan. Why do people need this service? Is it about convenience, pressure, or just changing lifestyles? Here's question 13. Every relationship needs a strong foundation, but what should that foundation be? Is compatibility important in a romantic relationship? How do you define a good match? Is it about personality, habits, or values? And finally, question 14. A country's future depends on its younger generation and their choice to build families. Do you think young parents should have more children? Taiwan is facing the problem of an aging population. Why is this issue important for the future? These 14 questions help us explore our hopes, values, and responsibilities, both personal and social. Let's share ideas, listen respectfully, and imagine the kind of country, society, and family we want to live in. See you in the discussion, and let your voice be part of the future we're building.